And welcome back to the second part of this tutorial. So let's take care of the coding part of it. So I am going to right click on this tab here and let's select design view. Now I want to go straight into the coding area because I intend to create a function. So let's click on view code. Look at it right here. Click on that. Okay, so what we want to do now is just going to create a function, maybe right underneath here or underneath here will do. So let's drag this as such so that we have enough room for this. Okay, so I'm going to start by saying private function, private function, and the name of the function is going to be known as convert. That's going to be the name, convert currency. So it's going to be, this convert currency is going to be by value. So I'm just going to say by value, and I'm going to enter an amount. So that's going to be the name. And these amounts, I'm going to call it the whole. Place another comma there, or place a comma there. The next one is going to be by value again. However, that is going to be the variable that we take in the value in a string format. So I'm going to say from currency, but as a string character. Very good. I also need another one for my, that is from. I need one that will be to, okay? From currency to currency. So let's change this one to, yeah. So all of these variable that has declared inside these parentheses are going to take in the following data type. They're going to be in form of double. That is it. So what do we want to do now is, I'm now going to come right down here. What we want to do now is let's declare, okay, I'm declare a an object that I'll call conversion rates. Okay, conversion rates, that is going to be created as an object. In conversion rate as object. Yeah. And this conversion rate, let's move this up a little bit. Copy that. I will then ask it, let's say set conversion rate equals create object, and I will just say script dot dictionary, make sure that is covered here. And the first one, first value that is going to take in, that is going to be, okay, the abbreviation for that would be B, no, GBP. Conversion rate dot add the following GBP, British pounds. Okay, Great British Britain or Great British pounds. That's the very first one. So I'm going to just copy this. I need 12 of those though, no 10. So we have 5, Copy all of these and bang it on. There we go. Now the next one is going to be Canada, CAD. And the exchange rate, so I'm just going to make that maybe 1.8. That's the exchange rate of that. Let's go for Nigeria. The exchange rate for Nigerian naira, that's going to be about, let's say, 1,600. There we go. You can always go online and find the correct exchange rates. Okay, so the next one, I'm going to set it for, let's say, Mexico. Yeah, just make that about 20, maybe 29.90. Now, euro, comma, and euro, we can make that about 1.45. Then we have China. No, that's Swiss. Let's say Swiss. Okay, that's um, let's say 1.54. And after that, I'm gonna go for Australia. 1.98. Then this will be China. Then maybe we say 9.78. India. Let's say 1.7. And finally, USA. Okay, US dollars. We can make that about 1.67. There we go. And that's my exchange rating. Now, right underneath here, I'm going to call this function here to take in calculation. So function, that will be equals amount multiplied by conversion rate of whatever values in there in the string character. Then we're going to divide that by saying, let's just grab all of this, divide conversion rates from, there we go. Okay, so I think my function is taken care of. So this should be, let's change that to scripted. Okay, I think that is the function taken care of. Now we now need to take care of the calculation itself. To do that, I'm going to have to declare some variable, but let's come in here where we have our editor. Come in and select that, and let's go to events. And here, let's select on click events, click that, click the three dots, and there we go. So let's declare as follows: dim, that's the amount, as double. Okay, amount has double. Let me declare another one. So I'm now going to declare this as well. Let's call that convert amount. That is double as well. Now from currency, Then from currency as string and to currency as string as well. Okay, now my declarations are there. Now let's move this up a little bit. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to use an if statement. If not is number or is numeric, that is what is the text box called txt. I think it's txt amount dot. No, it's not txt amount. I need the name of my text box. Let's go back in here. Here is txt convert. Click on view. Okay, that's a mini dot. Yeah, dot convert dot value. Then I want a message box to display the following. So let's just say please enter the valid number, comma, and let's just give it the exclamation sign. There we go. Now clear this. Dot value equals clear. And me dot set focus. And let's say exit sort and then end if. Okay, that should take care of when you enter whatever character that is not numeric. Now, to take care of the calculation itself, so I'm going to say amount to be equals, let's convert to decimal, no, convert to double this, grab all of that. So whatever we have inside the text box, get it converted. Then I'm going to go hold up from currency. That's going to be equals left. That's me dot. I think that is known as CMD. CMD convert from dot value here. That's the name. Okay, to say comma 3. So this CMD, that's supposed to be the combo box here. I'm referring to that. The next one is CMD convert to. So go back to view. Okay. We can just copy all of these. Just change it around. That is 2. And this is going to be 2 as well. That's good. So now let's grab hold of this convert amount. Convert amount is going to be equals convert currency, and that is now my function here. That function convert currency. Let's go back again. Convert currency. Convert currency using the following amount, comma, from from currency. Let's take this off. Again, there will be an error sound from currency. And next one is to currency, comma, to currency. Paste. Okay, so that is taken care of. So finally, what is left is you see this that I call LBL amount. I'm going to go back into view code, place that in there, and say equals amount plus and plus fish mark, and the next thing is going to be from currency. Okay, so let's grab hold of this and enter the sign equals in there. Then we now want to add the current amount. This one, current amount, and that is to currency. There we go. So all that is left for me now to do is just to try this out. Hopefully it should work. So close that, save, go back to my view. Okay, let's try out this code now. So I'm gonna run that. Okay, let's right click and select view from. There we go. So session time. Let's select Great Britain. We want to convert it to US dollars. Right, let's see what error. What's the name of this? Let's go back in there. Right click. Let's go to view. See the layer. So let's right click on the convert and go to view design. Okay, that is the name. Okay guys, I've spotted the error. Look at the name of these objects. I actually call it command convert instead of combo box. Okay, so if I go back to my code, look at what I'm talking about. Where is the code? View. Let's just double click on it anyway. Let's go back to form design. Yeah, that's it. New code. Look at it. It was supposed to be CMG, not CMB. There we go. And this one is that's fine anyway. Just leave it like that. Okay, save. Let's go back in here. So I'm going to view it again. enter data in there. Let's select Britain and select US again. And there we go. Look at that, guys. You see that? That is how you create your own currency converter using or how to create currency converter in Access, MS Access. So my guy who actually put in a request for this, thanks for your request. I believe I have satisfied your humble request, and I'll call it bye for now. I suppose you guys enjoyed, and you all have a nice day. And please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of the channel. You all have a nice day now. Bye for now.